If you are wondering if you have to purchase a power adapter for your Samsung Galaxy S26, then the answer actually depends on a couple of things. First of all, if you already have a power adapter, for example from your previous device, then you can of course use it in order to charge your Samsung Galaxy S26 as long as it fits the USB cable, as long as you can connect it to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Of course, at the bottom of the phone we have USB-C port, so you can try to use the original cable. If not, you can try to use like an alternative cable. For example, I use USB-A to USB-C cable and it works just fine. And yeah, so if you have a power adapter from your previous device, if that's enough for you, you can use it, you should be able to charge it. If you are looking for an upgrade, or if you expect to get a power adapter inside the box, then unfortunately, in that case, you will have to purchase the power adapter separately. And simply because the power adapter is not included inside the box, so you cannot really find it in there. So if you don't have a power adapter, or you're looking for an upgrade, you cannot use your previous power adapter, any other reasons, in that case you have to pretty much buy the power adapter. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe